choosing what to do.
What do you want to do this Saturday?
Hmm. Maybe watch a movie?
That sounds good. Which movie?
There's a new animated film.
Oh, I love animated movies.
Me too.
Should we go in the afternoon?
Afternoon is perfect.
Before the movie, do you want to get lunch?
Sure. What are you craving?
Maybe noodles?
Yum. Noodles are always good.
After the movie, we could walk around the mall.
Or get bubble tea.
Yes. Bubble tea sounds amazing.
Should we invite anyone else?
Maybe Tom?
He's always busy on weekends.
True.
Then it'll just be the two of us.
That's fine with me.
Okay. Let's meet at 12?
Yes, 12 is good.
Don't oversleep.
I'll set an alarm.
Good.
I'm excited already.
Me too. Walking home together. Hey, are you done with class?
Yeah, finally. Today felt so long.
Same here. My brain is tired.
Want to walk home together?
Sure. Did you bring your umbrella?
Nope. Why?
I think it's going to rain.
Oh, great. I'm going to get wet again.
Don't worry. We can share mine.
Really? Thanks.
What homework do you have today?
Math and English. You?
Just English.
Lucky you. My math teacher gave extra exercises.
Do you want to study together later?
That would be awesome.
Let's meet at 7 p.m.
Okay. I'll bring snacks.
Nice. I love snacks.
Hey, look. The sky is getting dark.
Yep. I told you.
Good thing I have you and your umbrella.
Friends help each other, right?
Always.
Misunderstanding. Hey, are you upset with me?
Maybe a little.
Why? What did I do?
You left yesterday without saying goodbye.
Oh, I didn't mean to.
I felt ignored.
I'm really sorry. I was in a hurry.
You could have texted me.
You're right. I should have.
I just wanted to know you weren't mad.
I wasn't mad at all.
Really?
Yes. You're my friend.
I guess I overreacted.
No, it's okay to feel that way.
Thanks.
Next time, I'll tell you properly.
And I'll try not to assume things.
Deal?
Deal.
Friends again?
Always.
Want to grab ice cream?
Yes. That always fixes everything.
Let's go.
Thanks for talking to me.
Anytime. New friend in class.
Hi. Are you new here?
Yes. Today is my first day.
Welcome. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Leo.
Do you like the school so far?
It's big. I think I'll get lost.
Don't worry. I can show you around.
Really? That would help a lot.
Where are you from?
I moved here from another city.
Do you miss your old friends?
A little.
You'll make new friends here too.
I hope so.
What subjects do you like?
Science and English.
Cool. I like English too.
Maybe we can study together.
Sure.
Thanks for being kind on my first day.
Don't mention it.
You're my first friend here.
Then let's be good friends from now on.
I'd like that.
Want to join me for lunch later?
Yes, please.
Great. Let's go to class now.
Okay. Running in the park together. You're late. We said 6 a.m.
I know. I overslept.
Again?
Don't judge me. I'm trying.
All right. Let's start running.
Can we warm up first?
Okay. Fine.
My legs feel tight.
Because you rushed here.
Don't remind me.
Ready?
Ready.
Let's go.
Wow, you're fast today.
I slept well.
Lucky you.
Keep your pace steady.
I'm trying.
Don't look down.
Why?
You lose balance. Look forward.
Okay,
Do you run often?
not really.
You should. It helps your stamina.
And my mood, right?
Exactly.
I already feel more awake.
See? Morning runs are great.
But I'm getting tired.
Slow down but keep moving.
Good idea.
Want to stop for water?
Yes, please.
Here.
Thanks.
After this, let's jog a little more.
Do we have to?
Just 5 minutes?
Fine.
You'll thank me later.
I doubt it.
Come on, you're doing great.
Really?
Yes, keep going.
All right. Let's finish this.
A badminton match with friendly competition. Ready to lose again today?
Excuse me? I won last week.
That was luck.
We'll see about that.
Okay, warm up first.
I already stretched at home.
Show off?
Hey, preparation is important.
True. Want to start with a light rally?
Sure, don't hit too hard.
I won't yet.
There you go again.
Okay, your serve.
Watch this.
Wow. Nice shot.
Told you I improved.
Let me test you properly.
Bring it on.
Smash.
Whoa, that was fast.
Couldn't return it?
Not fair. I wasn't ready.
Excuses.
Okay, serious mode now.
Finally,
Take this.
you hit the net.
Uh,
Relax. You're trying too hard.
I really want to beat you.
Badminton is about control, not force.
Easier said than done.
Try shorter swings.
Like this?
Nice.
I think I'm getting better.
You are.
Should we play to 21 points?
Sure.
But no smashing every time.
I'll try, maybe.
You're impossible.
But you love playing with me.
True.
Ready?
Ready. Let's go.
May the best player win.
That'll be me.
Shopping for sports shoes together.
Do you think these running shoes look good on me?
Turn around. Yeah, they look nice.
They feel a bit tight though.
Try half a size bigger.
Good idea.
What sport are you buying them for?
Mostly running. Maybe some gym workouts.
Then you need something with good cushioning.
Like this pair?
Yeah, that looks comfortable.
Let me walk around in them.
Go ahead.
They feel better.
You should test them by jogging in place.
Here, people will stare.
No one cares.
Okay,
How do they feel?
much better.
Good.
What about you? Are you buying anything?
I need new basketball shoes.
Oh, what happened to your old ones?
They ripped during a game.
Ouch.
Yeah, I slid and the sole came off.
Then you definitely need new ones.
I'm thinking about this black pair.
Try them on.
Okay,
Wow. They look perfect.
they feel supportive too.
You're going to play better with those.
I hope so.
Should we check the price?
Please don't tell me it's expensive.
Oh, no.
What?
It's definitely expensive,
Great.
but worth it.
True.
So, we're both buying shoes today?
Seems like it.
Our wallets are crying.
But our feet are happy.
That's what matters.
Watching a football match at the stadium. Wow, the stadium is huge.
And it's already packed.
I love this atmosphere.
Same. Nothing beats live football.
What time does the match start?
In 10 minutes.
Good. We're early.
Who are you supporting?
The red team, of course.
I knew it.
Who are you cheering for?
The blue team.
Traitor.
Hey, don't judge me.
Fine. Let's enjoy the game.
Look, they're warming up.
That striker is so fast.
And their goalkeeper is incredible.
I hope it's an exciting match.
It will be.
The referee's coming out.
It's starting.
Come on, red team.
Blue team, let's go.
They're passing really well.
Blue team plays smarter though.
No way.
Look, counterattack.
Oh no.
Shoot.
Save it.
Goal.
No.
Yes, that was beautiful.
That wasn't beautiful at all.
Don't be salty.
I'm not salty. I'm devastated.
There's still time.
True.
Look, red team is attacking now.
Come on. Score.
Block it.
Yes, goal.
Ugh.
Now that was beautiful.
Okay. I'll admit it.
This match is insane.
I love it.
Same.
Best night ever.
New friend in class.
Hi. Are you new here?
Yes. Today is my first day.
Welcome. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Leo.
Do you like the school so far?
It's big. I think I'll get lost.
Don't worry. I can show you around.
Really? That would help a lot.
Where are you from?
I moved here from another city.
Do you miss your old friends?
A little.
You'll make new friends here too.
I hope so.
What subjects do you like?
Science and English.
Cool. I like English too.
Maybe we can study together.
Sure.
Thanks for being kind on my first day.
Don't mention it.
You're my first friend here.
Then let's be good friends from now on.
I'd like that.
Want to join me for lunch later?
Yes, please.
Great. Let's go to class now.
Okay.